Hello, little friends! Welcome to Mommy Art School, and today we are going to draw a Hello Kitty Easter egg. And we're gonna make a reference point right here because this is where the bottom of the egg is going to be. It's going to be like a smile. Let's do 3 points. Let's start with a smile. Go all the way to the middle and all the way the opposite side. Close it together the best you can. It's okay, we're gonna add a thicker marker after. Now we are going to come all the way here. Do these little dots as a guideline, and then you can close it all the way with the other line. Now the same for the other side. I'm going to put it a little bit more down because I'm gonna do a big bow. So it's not a complete Hello Kitty without a bow. She really loves bows. So it's okay if we close it and there's this here. Remember, we have a thicker marker going around. Okay, everybody, let's go a very big bow. We do a little line curve. Just have fun. Then we're gonna do a circle in the center and another side, almost like a butterfly. You can also watch our other videos and observe how we do the bows. Great! Now we are going to close the top of the egg this way, and Hello Kitty is going to have a hair accessory. Yeah? So we are going to do this part. And then we are going to do the ears. Go up and down like a little mountain. And then we mash the ears right here all the way up and then down. Great, everybody! Now, this one here is the kind that you also wear. Then you can add the bunny ears. And the other ear in the opposite side. And then inwards, up and down. Almost like a slide. Up and down. Now, it wouldn't be a Hello Kitty without her cutie eyes. So we're going to draw 2 ovals. One in this side and the other one in the opposite side. Go slowly. And we are going to draw a bigger circle and a tiny circle. A bigger circle. You can do, if you want to do also like an oval. Let's do like a little oval. And then we can fill it in. And remember the smaller circle too. Yes, it's a time for enjoying together. Now let's do another little oval. In the center, you have a reference point right here. Do it a little upwards from the eyes and in between. Now we are going to do the pants. We're going to do like a big smile. And then we are going to do a little whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to let it come out. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. And have fun. Yay! Now we are going to do a few circles within the pants. And that's gonna be like the pattern of the clothing. You can do any pattern that you want. You can design your own clothing for everything you draw. Now it's time for the thicker marker. So we're gonna go all the way around the little ears. Now the bow and the circle. Let's do the little ears. Great! And then all around the egg. This egg is a little circular because it's to imitate a little baby egg. That's why. Now you can do the whiskers. Art is creative and you can put your own little touch. Now is one of our favorite times. Today we are going to paint with these amazing gel crayons. It's really amazing. Use the thinner edge to paint the thinner edges. Alright, we're done with the pink. Now red. Great. And the red bow. And the red pants. Yeah. So you can do your own kind of style as you draw. You can leave some areas a little empty so it looks just a little light. I'm gonna bring a little bit of green. I had dark and then light. And then I'm gonna bring yellow. And the nose, I'm gonna paint a little orange and blue, light blue. A little bit of pink and a little bit of this cream color. And we're done! We finished a Hello Kitty egg. I hope you enjoy your drawing of today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, so you never forget another adventure with Mommy's Art School. Ciao, ciao!